In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a white outline to an image just like this here in Canva. So first of all, we're going to need our canvas and an image. For this example, we're going to use this one. Now from here, what you want to do is just crop your image ever so slightly. We're now just going to enlarge this as well. And now what we want to do is to remove the background. Now to do this, you want to click on your image, come up to Edit Image just here, and we can use the background remover. Now if you're on the newer version of Canva, the background remover is going to look exactly the same. Now we click on here, let Canva do its thing, we click Apply, and now that's been removed. Now what we want to do is utilize shadows. So if we click on Shadows, come to Glow, give that a second, then we want to click on this again where it says See Controls, and from here we can change the color to white. We then want to turn the blur all the way down, the transparency all of the way up, and then we can play with the size of the glow or the outline to however we want it. For this example, let's go with 10. Then we're going to click Apply, and now we're done. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. But that's just how easy it is to add a white outline to an image here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.